Counter-UAS solutions, what are they? Everyone knows that drones and unmanned air vehicles have become a major threat in the battlefield. RAFAEL is a new concept of integrated counter-UAS solutions for both fixed facilities as well as for the maneuvering force. It requires detection and tracking capabilities and then a lot of types of countermeasures that could start from lasers of different types, the iron beam mobile, the light beam. This type of vehicle can have even remote controlled weapon stations against UAS. And for fixed solutions, we have all of these capabilities, but in addition, we have the drones against drones. So now a low-cost drone becomes an interceptor against a swarm of other drones.